absolutely free, no jailbreak, no computer, works for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, running iOS 11 through to 11.2.2 to 11.2.5 and above, as well as 9 and 10. So the goal here is a one-stop shop. So these are all genuine stores that have enterprise tickets that I use myself, and they're all in the description in order that I'm showing you. So let's just jump straight in. First up is App Even. When you click on the link, just hit the green download, wait for the pop-up, hit install. Make sure to go to all of my links via Safari, and if you ever get any problems, just clear Safari data, come back to the site fresh via Safari. Second, App Valley, tap install again. Third, Panda Helper, download free version. My link will take you directly to the regular. Once again, if you don't get the pop-up, because I've noticed this on previous video, clear Safari data and back to the site via Safari Fresh, and then hit install again. Fourth is Tweakbox, download app. This is going to take you to your profiles as opposed to downloading an application. So just hit allow and then you'll get the profile, hit install, confirm, and then done. When you go back to the site, you know you'll have the application on your home screen. And if you use a number lock, when installing a profile, it asks you to add a number lock. That's the number lock you set for your device. I don't use one, so obviously it hasn't asked me. Fifth is good old Tutu, and once again, you want to make sure you hit regular and then download green bar. Wait for the pop-up, hit install, and also if you have an Android device, this is the #1 outlet for Android as well. Last but not least is Green Tutu, and when you click on the Green Tutu, just make sure to open and then install. Okay, so once you got all the goodies on the device, of course, when you first go to launch it, you're going to get Untrusted Developer. They all are 100% safe. We just need to manually allow access. We do that by going to Settings, General, and scroll down until you see Profiles, Device Management, or Profiles and Device Management. Tap into that, find the profile they reside in, hit Trust, Trust again, and then you'll be able to launch the applications. Okay, let's kick off with App Even. So this one mainly focuses on paid App Store apps being free. Just kill the ad, and swipe. Okay, so we've got the search, standard, paid apps free section, or you can scroll to your leisure, and we've also got an unlimited section, which is hacked games. Let's quickly search for an app. Let's go Geekbench. Once you found the app you want, just hit get. Okay, and it will just play an advert before it downloads. This is obviously to pay for the enterprise ticket. Tap X, and I believe you can come out of the app. Don't kill the app, but I believe you can come out of the app and the progress will still happen. Yeah. App Valley. We just go to the library, unverified apps, all signed, your tweaks, games. So now just be mindful of the subsection. And also when installing plus apps, make sure to delete the original before you install the tweaked version. Or also go WhatsApp for iPad. Another thing you should be mindful is some apps are 32-bit, like say Photoshop. So those won't install on iOS 11 Plus. Tap on the app you like, same exercise, install. Panda. So Panda Helper has its own little VPN protection against apps getting revoked, like Nestor, but without blocking other stores. If you are going to use a VPN protection, Panda Hero is the one. You can just click X. You don't need to use it with the application itself. If you ever want to prompt it, just tap the Panda icon, and you can prompt. There it is, Panda Hero, and it will prompt that pop up again. And once again, just another great outlet, great all-rounder, games and apps. You can see here it's bang up to date with its tweaked apps. And this also brings me to the iOS 11 jailbreak. The reason why I haven't uploaded that tutorial is because right now Cydia or installer, if you're waiting for that, aren't fully functioning with the jailbreak. So at the minute there really isn't any point for the end user. If you're used to using Cydia with a jailbreak, which pretty much we all are, there's no point. The iOS 11 jailbreak doesn't fully function with Cydia as yet. So I will bring that jailbreak tutorial when it is. And once again, you can just tap the down facing arrow or tap into the app and install now. Cancel. With Tweakbox, if like this you get the advert, just kill it and relaunch till you get the X in the top left. Tap that to kill it. Once again, if you do get the advert that takes over, just kill the app and keep launching till you get in App Store apps, tweaked apps, hacked game section. Good old Tutu, so don't allow, keep swiping, and we'll get the pop-up for Nestor. Now, I can vouch that this does work, but unfortunately it does also block App Valley and Tweakbox, so this is the VPN for protecting apps against revoke. I use Torngat now, and once again, search to your heart's content, find the game you want, or hacked game, or tweaked app, get now, and then you get this little progression bar. That's all going to be in Manager, and then once that reaches 100%, you'll automatically get the pop-up. And I've also added the green version of Tutu because it has the hacked version, the hacked games all in one place. For some reason the English version doesn't have that yet. So once again it's going to offer you Nestor. You can just hit install and then cancel to get past that. So for the hacked games just hit the arcade stick, then BT, and just refresh if it gives you not loading. And there you These are all the hacked games, all in one place, so you don't have to use the keywords like infinite, IAP. You still might even miss some in the English app. And it's the same. Just tap, get,